Alright, we are down here at the Unique Art Lodge in the Hocking Hills, and I'm going to take you through a quick tutorial on how to run this gas fireplace here. For demonstration purposes, I'm just going to remove this screen. And you can tell the number one indicator it's ready to go is that pilot is lit. Now there's a switch down here on the front. It says off, remote, and on. I'm going to leave it on the remote setting currently because I'm going to demonstrate how to use the remote. Okay, so I'll step back here. I've got my Real Fire remote, two buttons, off and on. Hit the on button, you'll hear a beep. That indicates that it's getting ready to put the gas in the mechanism. Oh, and there we go. Whew, it's getting hot in here. All right, so one other thing I wanted to mention is currently this is a vented gas system because I have the damper open. If you want a vent-free system, you can just shut this. You can see it says closed and open right here. I like to leave it open just to have a little bit fresher air. All right, so then the other thing is I'm just going to make sure I put this protective screen back in front for safety. And there we have it. I have made fire.